Hello everybody! Today we're going to unpack and take a close-up look at the KONG Senior. So let's just take a look at the details that's on the card packet. So on this card packet is a KONG Senior dog chew toy, and this one is in the small size, and it's suitable for dogs weighing up to 9 kilograms or 20 pounds. And it is purple in color and made of natural rubber. And taking a look at the back of the card packet, there's some product information in various languages. And now let's go ahead and remove the chew toy from its card packet by plucking it out. And there is a user guide that's sandwiched in the card packaging. Let's slide it out from its packaging. And setting the card packaging to the side, setting it on the left hand side of the table, and giving you a look at the contents which we've just removed from the KONG Senior card packet. And now let's take a close-up look at the user guide. So flipping it open and expanding the user guide to give you a look at the details that's on it. And as you can see, the details on this user guide is shown in several languages. And taking a look at the reverse or back side of this user guide, there is additional information. And just folding the KONG Senior Chew Toys user manual back closed, and setting it down and to the side. So just setting it on the left hand side of the table, we can move on to the KONG Senior itself. So giving you a look at the KONG Senior dog chew toy in the small size. And to give you some sense of the size of the chew toy, having it rest in my palm for some scale and perspective. So right there, the KONG chew toy in the small size, and gripping it in my hand as well. So it measures 3 inches long or tall and 1 3/4 inches wide. So giving you some close-up looks at this natural soft rubber dog chew toy. And as you can see, the base or bottom of the chew toy has a large hole in it in relation to its size, allowing for treats to be stuffed or coated on the inside. And at the top or tip of the chew toy, there is another small hole, as you can see, right through the chew toy. And just turning the chew toy right around, you can see there is the Kong branding molded into the side of the chew toy. And just giving you a full 360 rotation of this chew toy. And its overall design and shape, as you can see, with a tiered design tapering or widening from the tip or top to the base. And to give you some idea of the softness of this chew toy, I'm going to squeeze it with my hand. So right there, giving you some idea of the firmness or softness of this chew toy at the various parts of it. So the top, middle, and bottom right there, giving you some sense of the firmness and bounciness of this chew toy as well. So right there you can see, just dropping it lightly, it does have an erratic bounce, making it rather unpredictable in terms of the catchability or predictability of the way the toy moves. And of course giving you a closer up look at the Kong Senior, and just running my hand or finger across its surface so you can see very smooth surface, soft, made of natural rubber, bouncy, and quite squeezable. And just compressing it fully with my fingers, you can see right there it does spring back into shape. So that's the Kong Senior in the small size. Thanks for watching and happy playing!